In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Valorant fail to open Descriptor file. Now, the first thing I suggest you do is for some reason, the time settings can have something to do with this. So go to date and time settings and make sure you're on set automatically, as well as your time zone is the correct one. After that, you want to find your Valorant and right click on it, properties, and then you want to go to compatibility. Go here, activate these two, see if it works with that. Otherwise, you can try and run this program in compatibility mode as well. Now, if this still doesn't work, what we want to do is we want to go on Valorant, open file location, and this will take us to our Riot Games folder. Then head back to Riot Games, go to Valorant, live, then go to shooter game, binaries, Windows, and in here you should have a Valorant win64 shipping.exe, and you want to try and do the exact same on this one. So activate these two, see if it works, otherwise try with this one. Then you want to come up here, click Ctrl C, right click on your desktop, display settings, scroll down, graphic settings, browse, come up here, Ctrl V, press enter, and then you want to add this one. It's going to look like this. Then you want to press on it, options, high performance, and save. Now, once you've done that, it should hopefully work. But if it's still not working, you want to open your Riot client, come up here, settings, Valorant, and press repair. After that, you want to restart your PC, and then it should hopefully work. Now, I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.